family stronger than the open road. Laughter echoes through the mountain skies. Moments captured where the spirit flies. From sunrise scenes to evening light, we keep these memories burning bright. We are the chronicle.
What if we could stop the pain from hurting? What if we knew that love could mend the spirit? Broken into reverse a broken feeling. Just say I do, and I will follow wherever you may go. I know it's so uncertain, but I'm tired of hurting now. All my tears and searching, gonna open up my curtains now. 'Cause I don't wanna miss out. Take me on a big adventure. Baby, if we stay together, we could stay young forever. Where would you go if you could time travel? Take me on a big adventure. Baby, if we stay together, we could stay young forever. Where would you go if you could time travel? What if we could pick up the missing pieces? What if we knew that love would never let us down? Broken into reverse that broken feeling. Just say I do, and I will follow wherever you may go. I know it's so uncertain, but I'm tired of hurting now. All my tears and
And after 3 hours po ng ating pong paglalakbay ay nakarating na rin po tayo sa bayan ng Baler. And sana po ay abangan po ninyo ang aking mga next upload kung saan in-explore po natin ang iba pong mga lugar po dito po sa bayan po ng Baler at mga kalapit na bayan. God bless us all and see you sa aming next vlog.
A family stronger than the open road. Laughter echoes through the mountain skies. Moments captured where the spirit flies. From sunrise